We're going to talk about how to build a brand and how to build a business. If you're a salesperson, dealership owner, general manager, whatever you're doing, we're going to talk about how to use video and multiply that in under 15 minutes or less each day. But we're going to break it down in under 5 minutes because this is 5 minutes with Cage.
5 minutes with Cage. That's all we need to shift the mindset, to move the needle. We talk CRM, we talk leads, we talk flow. Internet money, let it grow, let it grow. Video selling, let them see, let them know. AI in the system, now we're running the show.
Thank you all so much in advance for being here. And so we're going to get into it here in just a second about what are we talking about when we talk about how to build a brand with video, but then how to build a business, meaning how do we generate more customers using video? And then how in the world are we going to do that in under 15 minutes? Well, let's start with the 15 minutes part. This comes from so many people. I think the number one thing that I hear, and I'm sure a lot of you leaders can resonate with this, we hear we don't have enough time. Duran, I don't have enough time to record videos. I don't have enough time to send videos. I don't have enough time to post on social media. And I understand that because time is serious, right? You know, that's why this is 5 minutes with Cage. We're going to respect your time. But what I want to coach you on today is how can we take the time that we're already doing things in what we call like a habit stack, which is where you're already doing something, but then just add one more layer on top of what you're doing. You're not really adding time. You're just adding one little habit while you're already doing something. So here's an example to break this down. So here's two great leaders at their stores, and these are also known as sales representatives, but I think they're more than that. Is we've got Ryan up here, and then we got my man Chico down here, okay? So Chico's here. Both of them have their brands. They send videos to their customer. They're working it, right? But what they're doing here that I love, and this is what we coach on too, is yes, building your brand is important, but building an experience for your customers is just as important. So what Chico and Ryan and anybody can do is first, if you have a customer we're talking on the phone with, right? So we're on the phone with the customer. Maybe you take a phone up today, or you get an internet customer that texts you or something like that. Or maybe it's a customer that left the dealership and they didn't buy a car. But let's use a phone up situation here. Customer calls in. The end result is that we set an appointment or we don't. But either way, we're going to turn it into an experience, and we're going to record a video of the car afterwards, which is what these gentlemen, they do well, and that's why they're really good at what they do. These gentlemen average a lot of car deals a month. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So if you love what you're seeing, if this is helpful, right, and you want the actual downloads, the PDFs, the workflows, the whole game, you can get it all for free in our school community. So come join now. It's growing, it's fun, and it gives us a chance to connect. I'll see you in there. But it's what we do after the video, this 15-minute part that I'm talking about, that's so cool. Because the videos here, as you can see, you know, as we're going through it, these aren't long videos. It only took maybe a minute and a half to record these. Good stuff, right? Doesn't take long at all. But after they take this video and send it to a customer, this is that 15-minute parts that makes you an extra 15 units to 20 units a year minimum, right? So we're talking about an extra 1 to 2, 3 units a month. And you do this by taking the content that you have and figuring out what else can I do with this content, this virtual real estate that I created. So number one, what we can do is we can send this to other customers, right? We can go through our CRM and we can repurpose this customer. We can go to the equity mining tools, right? All those different providers out there, but you can connect with a lot of different people with these videos and just update the voiceover, right? Just change it like, hey, I just did a video like this for one of my friends, family members, whatever, customers, and you came to mind and I wanted to share with you as well. But now you know where I'm going. So now we have another piece of video here. We can take this and change the intro or just take us out at the beginning if we were talking to the customer directly. And now we can go to the marketplaces. We can drop this on Reels and Instagram. We can go to the TikToks and the YouTubes of the world and repurpose it there. Are you following what I'm saying? This is how salespeople create more opportunities for themselves. Right? Because I hear you all so much in leaders saying we need more customers. But one of the best ways to do it is to take the technology and the experiences that we give and, man, use it all over the place and repurpose. So listen, if you want the exact instructions of what I gave, the step-by-step on how to repurpose and how to edit your videos and who to send to, listen, I want you to drop me a DM or just comment below and just put scale, because that's what we're going to call this, how to scale, or put 15 minutes, either one. And this will help you, it'll help your team, and it will take you all to the next level. And the other thing, listen, all the resources, like when I'm talking about dropping that down, you can also just join the free school community where all this game, everything lives right in there. So I thank you all so much for sharing your time, your energy, and love. And until next time, be well. This is 5 Minutes with Cage. Out.
To move the needle.